Okay, let's go to request. We are going to ask for a new license for this computer. Named user license, academic, go down, generate now, check, confirm request. Go to license, no, yes, sorry, copy the license, copy the license with this. Okay, so we have copied the license, then we can go to the console prompt. And then there we paste, so control, okay, then hit enter. So it's contacted and is proposing to locate the license, the gurobi.lic file in this folder. Hit, okay, yes. Okay, so we have already a license, a new license for this Gurobi version located in this folder, and then we are ready to run openTEPES. So for running openTEPES, we directly type openTEPES._main. Underscore capital M main, press. So is locating the version 4.18.4 from April the 3 of this year, is locating the openTEPES in this folder. Then by default, we use this folder because all the cases we provide are located there. By default, we propose to use the case called 9N, corresponding to 9 nodes. Instead of this solver that will take a lot of time, we can select Gurobi. Then whatever, default is no. No. So now openTEPES is executing or running the case study 9N using the Gurobi solver. Is telling us that is building its type of constraints, the different type of constraints that are involved in this case study. Now is creating the LP file to be sent to the solver. It has taken 47 seconds to write this LP file, and now the solver Gurobi starts solving the problem. The problem has a size of 1 million rows, 1 million columns. It's pre-solved first in order to reduce the size of the optimization problem. It starts with the interior point method to solve the optimization problem. It has taken 49 seconds to solve and reach an interior point solution, and now it must do the crossover in order to reach a vertex of the feasible region, a basic solution. First, that's the dual pushes, and then the primal pushes. So in total, it has taken 81 seconds to solve the optimization problem, and now passes the information again to Python PyObo. The objective function is 162 million of euros, split among the different concepts in these other values, and now it starts writing the CSV output files that will be located in the same folder where it was run. So that's all, and the openTEPES installation and the test with the 9M case study is concluded.